Hit this fool up, let him know I'm in town. Shit. Hey, what's up, partner? How's it been, man? It's been a minute. Hell yeah. Yeah, I see you just had the baby. God damn, man. What is that, like 4 kids now? Shit, I'm starting to feel pregnant just talking to you. Anyway, how's your mama doing? Wherever. How's your auntie? Hey, hell yeah. Glad to hear that, dude. Tell her I said what's up. But, yeah, man, what you up to today? You free? Well, bet, man. Yeah, let's link up, dude. Just like old times. Hey. Yeah, you come scoop me? All right, bet. Yeah, man, so, you know, we're going through this pandemic and shit. Like, what are we gonna do? Mask on, mask off. Okay, start with the mask and say fuck it and risk it after. Okay, bet. Cool. And then, like, greetings, you know, we're gonna come in, like, classic handshake, maybe an embrace, sweet embrace. We get pounded up, take it to Pound Town, maybe throw some bow in there. What do you think? Fuck yeah, go with the bow. Hell yeah, my guy. Well, cool, man. Have I been around anybody sick? Damn, baby, about to kill your workout?
I'm gonna crush it.
Hell yeah.
Oh.
Ugh.
Yeah.
God damn.
I'm gonna crush it.
Didn't they teach you to cover your mouth in school? No, man, we're good. Alright, man. I'll catch you like 2. Alright, peace, play. Giving this motherfucker COVID.